Oil prices are trading higher for a third straight day, with WTI testing resistance at $65 a barrel. Oil has risen almost 6% in just 3 days. Now, the main reasons for this rise in oil prices that we're seeing and the momentum behind this is geopolitical concerns as tensions between the US and Iran escalate, and also because of this weakness that we're seeing in the US dollar. So just as far as the geopolitical situation is concerned, we've seen Trump send what he calls an armada towards the Middle East. And he has said to Iran that time is running out for Iran to agree a nuclear deal. Now, the big concern here is that Iran is an oil producing country. It's the fourth largest supplier in OPEC, and it produces around 3.3 million barrels per day, of which it exports around 1.5 million barrels a day. So any concerns of military action in Iran raises concerns of supply being disrupted. And so what we're seeing here is a risk premium building on the oil price in case there is some sort of disruption. Now, the other impact that will be a concern is if there isn't a retaliation from Iran, and potentially they could focus their attention on the Strait of Hormuz, which is a choke point as far as oil is concerned, with around 20 million barrels of crude oil a day passing through that strait. So, again, a very key area for oil prices. And then also we've got this US dollar weakness that's happening. So we've seen the US dollar weaken quite considerably so far this year. It's down around 2%. It fell to a 4-year low, and it's hovering around that level at the moment. Now, a weaker US dollar makes commodities that are denoted in the US dollar, denominated in the US dollar, cheaper for buyers with other currencies. So again, does increase the demand. So for that reason, we're seeing oil prices shooting higher. Now, I think if we do see a slight de-escalation in tensions between the US and Iran, that could obviously see that risk premium fade slightly. But the tension is very much on there, and what's going on with the US dollar. We've also got the OPEC meeting this weekend. However, OPEC isn't expected to change its output for now. For more videos like this, please do like and subscribe.